Okay, in this example, we're going to go through how to find the volume of a cone. This example says a cone-shaped pile of sawdust has a base diameter of 36 feet and is 13 feet tall. We're going to find the volume of the pile. So this is the volume of a cone, and the problem also tells us that the diameter of the base is 36 feet. Remember, the difference between the diameter and the radius is that the diameter goes all the way across and the radius is just from the center out. This is the center. The diameter would go all the way across. That would be 36 feet. For the radius is just from the center out. So the radius would be half of that, which would be 18 feet. So the radius is 18 feet because it's only halfway across, and the diameter is 36 feet. Now it also tells us that the height of the cone from the bottom to the top is 13 feet. So that's going to be our height. Now the formula for the volume of a cone is 1/3 r squared times the height. So we're going to put all this in our formula. We're going to take 1/3 times the radius squared. Now don't get the radius mixed up with the diameter. The radius is 18 feet, and we're going to square that. And then the height is 13 feet. Notice again that I have feet squared here because feet's being squared, and then I have feet here, and we're talking about volume, so this makes sense that we're going to end up with feet cubed. I have 2 here and 1 here, so we're going to end up with feet cubed. Now when I put this in on my calculator, the answer that I'm going to get is 4,410.796 feet cubed. So now let's hop over to the calculator and I'll show you how to enter this in. Okay, so we're going to put in 1/3. So in parentheses, I'm going to do 1 divided by 3. And then we're going to multiply by pi. So I'm going to hit the multiplication key. Then I'm going to hit second and the little arrow up for pi. And then I'm going to multiply that by the radius squared. So 18 raised to the second power. And then to bring it down outside the exponent, we're going to arrow to the right to drop it down. And then we're going to multiply by the height, which is 13. And when I hit enter, I'm going to get the answer 4,410 and 0.796086, and then you just have to decide how you want to round.